We're right now at Shastri Bhavan and two ambulances of the government of Delhi, the CATS ambulances, have arrived over here. We were speaking to the officials inside the ambulance and they just told us that they've got a call that a lathi charge has happened over here and therefore they have been called in. However, they are still waiting to enter the crowd, barricading of the police all around this particular area, Rail Bhavan, and therefore these ambulances have been parked over here. As you can see, two ambulances have arrived. Another ambulance is right here. The officials are sitting inside over here, all prepared to handle any casualty whatsoever in case any lathi charge that has happened or if any person is injured. With camera person Prabir Biswas, Vijay Kao in Delhi for Headlines Today.
So Vijay Kao there reporting from ground zero, reporting injuries on both sides, Aam Aadmi Party activists and the police. We are now looking at live pictures that are coming from ground zero. Sanjay Singh of the Aam Aadmi Party talking to some of the activists. And Headlines Today's Preeti Chaudhary has sent us this report.
Well, there you have it. There is a certain, you can see right behind us, this is an exit right in front of Ashoka Road. There is a sense of unease. The supporters have been testing the patience of the security forces and something seems to have given way. As we speak at this point of time, you can just see the cops have been heckled. I believe one or two supporters threw something at the policemen who've been standing there. One of them has been picked up. You can see right there. One of them has been picked up right behind me. Well, this can blow up into something bigger. But we'd like to point out that the cops are not doing anything. They're trying to resist and they're being provoked as we speak. You can see right there, they're not doing anything. They are being provoked as we speak. Two people who threw shoes at the cops have been picked up and taken away. Sir, kya hua? Kya hua? They're trying to resist. You can see right there, but another group trying to heckle the cops from this side. And you can see right there, the cops are completely at a loss. They're trying not to get provoked. There is an attempt at provoking. There is an attempt at provoking the police. You can see right behind me. On the other side, this was a barricade which was breached. Two people from there came in, threw shoes at the cops. One of them was then picked up, but the police here don't quite know what to do. They don't quite know what to do. They've been given standing instructions not to react. But on the other side, a contingent which had already come inside next to the Arvind Kejriwal protest is now attacking the police from the other side. Reporting with camera person Pradeep Gupta, Preeti Chaudhary for Headlines Today.
So Headlines Today's Preeti Chaudhary reporting that the Aam Aadmi Party activists are deliberately trying to provoke the police. Let's listen into more voices coming in from ground zero. Now joins us with the latest from ground zero.
In the middle of all the protests happening here at Shastri Bhavan, on your screens is a imaginary funeral procession of the Home Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde. Now protesters here of the Aam Aadmi Party criticizing the Home Minister and carrying out an imaginary funeral procession. They're chanting slogans to the effect, trying to signify that how Shinde has failed to act and how they've been forced to come on the streets yet again and protest. With camera person Prabir Biswas, Vijay Kao in Delhi for Headlines Today.